What are some interesting psychological facts about human life? 1. If a person laughs too much, even at stupid things, he is lonely deep inside. 2. If a person speaks less, but speaks fast, he keeps secrets. 3. If a person sleeps a lot, he is sad. 1. Having positive and happy people around you can keep you happier. 2. Having a plan B would only make plan A less likely to work. 3. A gene is the cause of one being negative almost all the time. 4. People aged between 18 and 33 carry the most amount of stress in the world. 5. The type of music you listen to has an impact on your perception of the world. 6. Having positive and happy people around you can keep you happier. 7. The feeling of being in love is the brain's chemical reaction, not the heart's. 8. Having higher IQs make it harder for women to find a mate. 9. That last person you think of before you sleep is either the reason you are happy or in pain. 10. The way you dress has a connection with your mood. 11. Most of the time, you tend to believe only what you want to believe unintentionally. 12. Being lonely is worse for your health than you actually think. 4. If someone can't cry, he is weak. 5. If eats in an abnormal manner, he is tense. 6. If someone cries on little things, he is innocent and soft-hearted. 7. If someone becomes angry over silly or petty, small things, it means he needs love.